vast, modern Mercedes-AMG G63 facility, a testament to precision engineering and luxury automotive production.
Materials are meticulously organized in a vast warehouse, where precision is paramount from the start. Automated robotic arms precisely sort components, showcasing advanced logistics and efficient manufacturing.
We need to reinforce this section of the chassis for the G63. Agreed, the simulations show stress fractures here.
I've annotated the required material change on the tablet.
The fabrication hall hums with powerful machinery, laser-cutting steel, a symphony of industrial precision. Robotic plasma cutting. A brilliant blue flame effortlessly carves intricate patterns into steel. A powerful hydraulic press stamps chassis components, forming robust vehicle parts with controlled force. Automated robots gracefully bend metal, creating complex geometries with fluid mechanical elegance. A worker meticulously deburrs metal, ensuring every component is refined for quality and safety. Components move through an automated washing system, emerging pristine and ready for the next stage. Robotic nozzles apply rust protection, ensuring longevity and durability for every component. Robotic arms stack rust-protected components, ensuring meticulous order and logistical precision. Skilled technicians meticulously align steel frame sections, preparing for critical welding with focused intensity.
Right here, slight imperfection on the weld.
Confirmed. Marking for secondary review.
A skilled welder meticulously fuses a crossmember to the chassis, forming critical, strong connections. An automated gantry system precisely measures the welded chassis frame, ensuring perfect alignment and accuracy.
Watch the clearance on your side. Clear. Bring it down slowly.
Technicians meticulously install brake system components, ensuring precision for vital safety systems. A robust fuel tank is carefully positioned and secured, integrating a key operational component. As we integrate the main harness, ensure every clip is seated correctly. We cannot proceed until quality confirms the alignment.
The gleaming AMG V8 engine is precisely lowered into the chassis, installing the G63's powerful heart. Technicians precisely bolt the transmission to the AMG V8 engine, integrating the critical powertrain. Technicians precisely align the driveshaft, connecting the transmission to the rear axle for perfect power delivery. A large radiator assembly is carefully installed, integrating the critical engine cooling system with precision.
Technicians meticulously mount hydraulic components, routing fluid lines for essential steering and braking systems. A team meticulously routes the massive electrical wiring harness, installing the vehicle's central nervous system. A robust battery unit is securely mounted, integrating the vehicle's essential primary power source.
Final inspection complete. All wiring secure.
Ready for the marriage sequence. Robotic arms precisely weld the G63 cabin frame, emphasizing structural integrity and iconic shape. The marriage moment. G63 chassis and cabin unite, a culmination of engineering excellence. Technicians meticulously prepare the dashboard framework, routing complex wiring for the highly technical interior. Technicians carefully install the robust steering column, connecting the primary driver interface with precision. A luxurious driver's seat is mounted, ensuring perfect alignment and ergonomic integration. Technicians carefully fit the complex HVAC unit, integrating environmental control into the dashboard. Technicians precisely bolt robust brackets for exterior lights, foundational work for safety and aesthetics. Technicians securely bolt side mirror arms, integrating key visibility components with precision wiring. The distinctive front bumper and iconic G63 grille are installed, showcasing aesthetic completion. Technicians carefully position the heavy, sculpted hood, ensuring precise alignment and seamless body lines. A worker meticulously sands and cleans body panels, preparing the surface for a flawless paint finish. The G63 body enters an automated spray booth, receiving an even primer coat for a perfect base. Robotic arms apply a deep metallic black base coat, a synchronized dance of artistic automation. Freshly painted G63 bodies move through a high-temperature curing oven, solidifying the flawless finish. Skilled technicians meticulously apply Mercedes-AMG badges and decals, completing the G63's brand identity. Technicians carefully install LED headlights and taillights, integrating the vehicle's eyes and signals with precision.
Suction engaged, bringing it into the channel. Looks good on the bottom track and sealed.
The assembled G63 undergoes rigorous electrical system testing, verifying its digital brain.
A newly completed G63 undergoes rigorous road testing, showcasing dynamic performance and agility.
A lineup of gleaming G63s in a vast warehouse signifies impressive production and luxurious abundance.
The grand finale, a perfectly illuminated Mercedes-AMG G63, a masterpiece of luxury and power.